having a good time? Have a good time, come on!
That's my lovely Samoa. It's so wonderful to be back. It's been a really good and a very hot night. My meow has been waiting all night at the back. But hello, the show must go on. Ain't that right, ladies? It's so lovely to see a beautiful lineup of judges. Oh my gosh, they look so beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not doing this performance by myself. I have my finish, my everyday, my bunny popo, my bunny vinge, my handsome, my one and only, my ex after the show, Yang Safa.
Make some noise! That's right. I hope you are ready for tonight's event because we're going to have a very, very good time. I said this once and I'm going to say it again. When I walked into the rehearsal and I'm here tonight looking around, I am sexually confused.
No wonder we
Ole passi otsaro numero tassi savai.
So ladies and gentlemen, it's not about us, is that right, my darling?
That's right.
It's about tonight's show. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to be in for a wonderful evening. We've got birds of all different types. We've got animals coming out. Just a warning for you guys in front. If you haven't got your life insurance policy done yet, I do advise you get it done before the show starts. I think there's an app for that. Because there'll be a round of unidentified objects being flying around later on.
That's true.
So you might be warned of that. So hopefully we'll have a wonderful night. But before we start, I do believe we have our statement about our pageant. So our statement for tonight, the pageant has been a platform for Whawhawhine to advocate and promote its locally planned activities and funded projects, thank you my husband. Over the years, Whawhawhine community also works collaboratively with several local organisations to host pageants to promote or fundraise for their activities. With the birth of Safa'a, Whawhawhine Pageant lifts its standards from not just for fun, but bringing together our community to be informed of the issues affecting our society today and what the Whawhawhine community provides to address those issues. Tonight, it is all about fun and enjoyment, but most importantly, to educate and advocate for a resilient Samoa. Is that right? Amen? Amen. So we would like now to also acknowledge our sponsors.
That's right, tonight's event would not be made possible if it was only for UNDP Global Fund, Native Events Highridge, Urban Sounds with DJ Jonas on the disc, TV1 Samoa, and don't worry, we're going to be reading out all the sponsors for the AFV and LA sponsors for the Queens tonight.
That's right, our other sponsors, ladies and gentlemen, Bluebird Lumber, Maria's Pharmacy, Tusby Investment Samoa Limited, the one company in paper, UNFPA, Ink Patch, Binatu Restaurant, The Wow Venue and Remafia Finance, Samoa Commercial Bank, Aliki Wholesale, Tauvaga Airways, Fine Pacifica Aotearoa Trust, McDonald's Family Restaurant, Samoa Rental,
Treasure Box, The Edge Marina, 10 Below Shack, Grace Hair Salon, Letitia Family, Mercy Shop, Digicel Samoa, Body Shop, Sunrise, Leata's Beauty Salon, Tauvaga Samoa, TCB Securities, Utopia Washington, BDO Samoa, Indoors Treasure Box, Samoa Rentals, and Remani Samoa.
Big round of applause for these sponsors, ladies and gentlemen. Without them, we would not be sitting here enjoying tonight. Now, I'd also like to acknowledge our contestant sponsors. DMF of Samoa, Family and Friends. Our second contestant will be sponsored by Letitia's family. Third contestant is Rayma Finance and Red Shop by Tele. Fourth contestant, Majestic Worldwide. Fifth contestant, House of Queens. Sixth contestant, Sam. And seventh contestant will be Fatu Fatuai Fatmangyama. So those are your contestant sponsors for this evening.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's kick off our program for today. Are you guys ready for the show? Everybody on the stands, are you ready for the show? Do you guys want to come down here on the tables? Well, you should have paid for a better ticket. Malo Labreva, Malo Lefia, welcoming them back on stage, ladies and gentlemen, their opening number performance by the NUS Papa Group. Bati Bati.